Hi, welcome to the Bike Centre. My name's Ben and today we're looking at this Kawasaki Ninja 650. This is a 2020 bike on a 20 plate. It's covered just over 7,500 miles, one owner from new. As the name denotes, it's a 650. It's actually a parallel twins, 2 cylinders, and it makes just under 70 horsepower. These bikes can actually be electronically restricted to 47 horsepower, allowing you to ride it on an A2 licence. So if that's something that you're interested in, please feel free to give us a shout. Otherwise, I'll give you a whip around the bike and try and do the bike some justice. So, really nice condition. The first thing to note is that this bike will come with new tyres, so don't worry about the tread depth. As you can see, it's a little bit low, but we will be replacing those for the new owner anyway. It's an ABS model, so you've got these signature wavy discs, 310mm with Nissan brakes, loads of stopping power for this bike, but it's a really lightweight bike anyway, so you don't really need a great deal on this bike. Non-USD forks on this, but it doesn't matter. Handles really well. These have got no rust or pitting or anything like that at all. They're in great condition with no leaks. I don't know if you can just see, but there's the double rad guard in there as well from R&G. So there's a top radiator guard just to stop any stones and flies from damaging the radiator. And just lower down, you've also got a guard to protect the headers, which is a good thing on bikes like this because the headers do tend to take a lot of dirt and road film and stuff like that, and they do rust very easily, but these are in great condition. The bike's largely standard bike. It's finished in metallic black with the contrasting green decals from Kawasaki. Obviously got the rim tape on there as well. It's got the standard exhaust. The bike's been data tagged. It's in very clean original condition. You might be interested in an aftermarket exhaust, a tail tidy, seat cowl, all of that kind of stuff we can supply, and we do offer discounts to our customers who buy accessories and have them fitted with the bike. So as you can see, the paintwork's in perfect condition. It's a really nice clean bike. It's just come in as a part exchange today. On this side it's very much the same. Again, standard condition. There's no signs of any drops, bangs or scrapes. It's been well looked after. It's very clean and tidy. Chain and sprockets are in fantastic condition. Loads of life left in them, as you'd expect. Bike comes with 2 keys and a full Kawasaki service history. All the original paraphernalia, service manuals, all that kind of stuff as well. Partially digital dash, so obviously you've got your rev counter here. As you can see, this is an ABS model. You've also got a gear indicator there, which is a really nice thing to have. Your clock, a fuel gauge, temperature gauge, speedo, and there's your mileage, 7,575 miles. Let's give the bike a start up for you. So lovely sounding engine. These are a really good first bike. Great for someone who's just looking for something light and fun to chuck around at the weekends, or conversely, something to commute on, because these are particularly good on fuel. As I said, they can be restricted down for the 47 horsepower allowance on an A2 licence as well. If that's something that you're interested in, please give us a shout. All of our bikes come with a 3-month warranty, though this bike will have the remainder of the Kawasaki warranty on it, as it's got a full service history from Kawasaki. It'll also come with free delivery as well. If that's something that you're interested in, please give us a shout. We offer finance and part exchange. If you've got any questions, you can reach out to us on Facebook. We've got WhatsApp, live chat on the website, and Auto Trader. And of course, happy for you to pop in and have a conversation or to give us a call. That's it for me. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.